Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add Apple Pay to Express checkout on Shopify as a payment method. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. So for that matters, we have to simply go to this shopify.com on the top on our browser and simply get to the official website and simply sign in with your account's information. Once we have done so, here in this home section you will be able to find this kind of interface. Afterwards, if you would like to simply add in the Apple Pay on your Express checkout here in Shopify, you simply have to go to this settings option that will be on top left corner of your screen. Simply go ahead, tap on it. Now here in this section you're going to find this kind of interface, right? Simply first of all go ahead, set up all of the information if you haven't yet, and then you will find this payments option here in the left side of the menu. Go ahead, tap on this payments. Once you do that, you will be able to see this kind of information. You can see payment providers, supported payment methods. Here in this section, the supported payment methods, you simply gotta go ahead, tap on this add payment methods for your shop. So right now you can see we haven't yet set up our account perfectly, and we haven't even selected a plan for ourselves, so you won't be able to access this particular wallet section, which will include the Apple Pay. You simply have to check on that box and simply go down to the bottom and save the changes for your shop here in Shopify, and then you will be done. The thing that you have to make sure, in case you won't be able to see your wallet or Apple Pay, is one of the method. Make sure you are verified your account, you do have an Apple Pay account to connect with, and there is no issue, right? Once you have done so, you will be able to come over here, add the information regarding a payment method, and you will be able to find the particular wallet section with the Apple Pay as an option. All you have to do is tap on it and save the changes. That way you will be done. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.